50,000 doses of COVID-19 vaccines donated to Jamaica have now left India. The consignment of made in India of COVID-19 vaccines was airlifted today for Jamaica, Guyana and Nicaragua under the Vaccine Maitri initiative. Now, the information was shared by India's Ministry of External Affairs spokesperson Anurag Srivastava on Twitter. Now, Foreign Affairs Minister Kamina Johnson-Smith responded saying Jamaica looks forward to receiving the gift. The shipment is expected to arrive on Monday. Under the Vaccine Maitri initiative, 25 nations across the world have already received made in India vaccines, and 49 more countries will be supplied in coming days. Politicians are no longer in the first group of people who will receive the COVID-19 vaccine when it arrives in Jamaica. On Tuesday, when the Health Ministry unveiled its interim vaccine plan, government officials were in the #1 spot and were slated to get jabs at the same time as healthcare workers. However, in a statement last night, the Health Ministry said members of Parliament, the judiciary, parish councillors, senior civil servants and senior technical officers would get shots after key groups of persons. Now, the groups not ahead of the 577 government officials are health personnel, members of the Jamaica Constabulary Force and Jamaica Defence Force, as well as persons in the 60 and older age group. The Ministry of Health says vaccination of the priority groups will begin this month as soon as the supplies arrive. It says that as additional stocks arrive, vaccination of the 60 and older age group will continue with the addition of the Jamaica Fire Brigade, Department of Correctional Services, Jamaica Customs Agency, Passport Immigration and Citizenship Agency, school personnel, and government workers who interface directly with the public. The ministry says only after these groups have been vaccinated